Hi everyone, you are all welcome to Mr. Government Skills Acquisition Training Program. Today I'm going to show you the importance of using brush in graphic design. Let's start by clicking on blank. Then scroll the icons and click on fit. Let me click on color. Let me click on rainbow color and change the color to green. Let me click on that good at the top. Let me click on add photo. Let him scroll. Let me add this photo of horses. Let me click on add. I'm going to make this photo as my background. I'm going to click on that cleaner at the top to apply my brush. Let me click on erase. Let me adjust the opacity and hardness. Let me reduce them. Let me reduce my opacity to 40 something and my hardness to 49. I'm going to use my finger to wash out the bottom of this picture for 3 or 4 times. Let me use my finger to wash it again so that the bottom will disappear. Then let me click on that good arrow at the top. Let me zoom it so that it will cover the whole space. If you like, you can leave this as a beautiful background. But if you like, you can decrease the opacity. Let me decrease the opacity. Let me click on the picture again to decrease the opacity. Let me click on empty background to unhighlight it. Then let me scroll my icons and click on add photo. Here's the icon for add photo. Let me select this image. Let me click on add. I'm going to use, let me scroll these icons and click on cut out. Then let me click on person. Here's my result. Let me click on that eye to view my result. Okay, let me click on erase to delete some part of this picture. Let me use my finger to delete this part. Let me zoom it and delete some part of this picture. Let me use my finger. Let me decrease this size so that I can delete this part very well. I'm using my finger. The size is size 20. Let me click on that good arrow at the top to add my photo into the design. I can leave my design just like this, but if I like, let me wash out the bottom of my photo. Let me move my photo to center. Then click on that brush at the top to wash out the bottom of my photo. Let me click on erase. Let me adjust the opacity and hardness to 40 something. Let me increase the size to a little. Then let me wash out the bottom. Let me use my finger. Let me wash again. After I finish washing out the bottom of my photo, let me click on that good arrow at the top to put my photo into my design. Let me place it at this side. Let me unhighlight it by clicking on an empty background. Let me scroll these icons on the bottom and click on text. Let me type Barka da Sallah. Let me click on color. Let me click on gradient. Let me add stroke. Let me add shadow. Then finally, here's my graphic design. Then click on that download at the top to save your work. Thank you.